Good morning, everybody. It's Dr. Ray back in the garden. It's winter. Not a whole lot to show you here. Got some things butted up, and we've had our snow, and of course we're in North Georgia here. Our snow comes and then it goes, but I know some of you are up to your eyeballs in snow, but I just want to share a couple of things about the ability to make the garden a little bit better if you have any off time and the snow finally goes away. This dirt here looks pretty dirty. It looks actually pretty good. Being where I am, where it warms up during the day a little bit, I'm able to put some compost on the garden. And so this is what I've done. And the garden looks pretty darn good right now. And I do this every single year. There's about a ½ inch of compost or whatever I put on. I have a place where I can go buy it by the truckload and pickup truckload, that is. It's a small garden, but it allows me to enhance my soil. That's the bottom line on this little video. Do anything you can to enhance your soil at any time. I happen to be able to do it while it's still cold. I mean, it's about 30 degrees right now, but do it whenever you can get into your garden. Enhancing your soil with compost is like getting vaccinated for COVID. It just makes sense. Do the best you can. Anyway, come see me in beautiful Athens, Georgia. Not so beautiful right now, but at least the sun is shining. All the best.